TheCurlySage and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I got a new wig and I recorded this video a bit differently. I actually dyed the wig and all that stuff before I'm like filming my intro, which is why I have it on now. So yeah, in this video I'm basically going to show you guys how I usually dye my wig to match my hair and all that stuff. And I didn't film like how I blended it because in my past video I showed that. So basically the way I blend my wigs now is the way I did it like years ago. I just went back to that method where I make my full lace wigs into half wigs so I can leave like a bit of my hair out and it just sits really flat. So if you want to see how I like do that, then I'll just link that video down below. But yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I did was of course put the wig on to kind of see how it fit and stuff, and this is how the wig looked originally, very long. If you've watched my channel before, you know I don't like long wigs, but basically right here I'm just kind of like feeling where to cut to make it a half wig and just measuring where I left my leave out. And then from there, I'm just cutting off where I measured and making it a half wig. I wasn't really in frame, but I'll link down below the video where I show it more in detail if you're interested. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And then I just put it on to see how it fit, and I had a little mishap, so I used the comb and secured it. I didn't say this, but this is a glueless wig, so I just put the combs in to make it more secure when I'm like shaping it. So then I just go on to cut it to like suit me more because I don't really like long wigs. Are you riding? Do you love me? Are you riding? Are you riding? Love me? This is the ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up. Are you riding? Love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave. And this is how much hair I cut off. And I need you, and I'm down for you always. Are you riding? Do you love me? Are you riding? Love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me, 'cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me, 'cause I want you, love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave. So after cutting the original like length, I just went back in and kind of added more dimension and a bit of layers. So I ended up putting it on my wig head so I can see a bit better when I'm shaping it and like adding a bit more layers and stuff. And as you guys can see, this curl pattern is so natural looking. Like I didn't even like wash it or wet it or anything yet, and it's so natural. Are you riding? Say you never leave beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And yes guys, I'm using Denise. So deep in the feelings, no one say you really like me. You control my anxiety. Just keep it what I'm like as if I'm your sister. So then I just went in with some bleach to lighten the hair. Get up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Hold up, hold up. Listen to the heart. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, 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 back it up. Ladies can back it up. And I had to mix some more bleach to add to the areas that I missed, which were like on the bottom half. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up. And this was the color I ended up with after the bleach. So then I just went in with my Wella toner, and this is in the color T18. Ladies, booty bounce to this. And after toning it and comparing it to my other wig that I usually wear, it's still a bit brassy, so I went and toned it again.
Time and place to come through. Send me your location and the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't want to fall for you, gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged to understand.
I swear I am forever accidentally snatching Denise's wig somehow, but after rinsing out that toner, it's a bit closer to the color of my other wig. But the thing is, after toning it twice, the black roots lightened up quite a bit, so I just went in with some black hair dye. Actually, this is black henna, it's all I had around the house, but it worked perfectly fine. And I actually went in and added a bit of black areas to some of the wig to kind of like add some dimension. And this is how it looks after I washed it out. So I'm just defining it with some Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. And as you can see, it still has that really like natural afro-y texture. But I'm just really defining the curls. You don't have to if you don't want to. I actually kind of like that more like afro look. But in this video, I defined the curls a lot.
Your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
And I'm just cutting off any like stragglies that I saw and like stray hairs that didn't go with the shape of the wig. And I actually kind of picked up some of the curls so it didn't dry really flat, but this is how it looked after I defined the curls. So that's it. That is the wig. This is how it turned out. I don't know if I'm gonna go in there and like thin it out because there's a lot of hair, like it's really full, like really full. So I don't know. I'm still thinking. So this right here is my hair. Like the color is perfectly matched, like undetectable. It's just really full. I think I like the shape, but you guys can let me know if I should like make it a different shape or something. But this is what I have for now. So let me know in the comments how you're feeling. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's TheCurlySage signing out. Peace.